You're not looking at the green dot, are you?
That's Jody.
That's John.
And we're the Wisleys.
And this weekend's adventure of a lifetime is
the flower fields in Carlsbad, California.
This is a once-a-year opportunity, and we're super excited to share it with you.
What's your feelings?
I feel a certain way.
I'm feeling a certain way about today. I can't express what that feeling is.
No, because apparently I don't have words.
No.
I don't know adjectives.
Adjectives?
They're our friends.
Is that hooked on phonics?
Worked for me. So here we are, arriving at the flower fields in Carlsbad so that we can take advantage of a beautiful day and see the 50 acres of ranunculus flowers that are currently blooming.
Oh, that sounds ranunculus.
It is.
Ooh, I can already see them. Don't look.
I'm not. I got my eyes closed. Don't worry.
Wait, you're driving.
Yeah, it's all good.
Open your eyes. Online tickets only.
Yes, so a change this year for safety reasons is that you have to purchase your tickets online and you have a arrival appointment time so that they can control the number of people who are out in the fields at any given time.
Because everyone's just rushing to get to the flower fields like Disneyland.
Well, they're only open for a couple months out of the entire year.
Yes, March through May.
So it is a exciting adventure.
So we're looking for the Pinocchio section to park in.
And we're here. Here we go.
Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Good. So you're from Florida?
Yes.
Nice. Well,
I don't know. She's from Florida.
I know, it's questionable.
California.
We're all a little questionable.
All right.
How are you?
You're going to take some pictures. Oh,
Yes.
You're going to have more fun. Why don't you go that way first and then go that
Okay.
direction? Because there's some areas that are in that garden and further up.
Great, thank you.
So the flower fields have been here for about 40 years. Before that, they grew dry crops here, like lima beans, and then they converted to poinsettias back in the 1950s. That lasted through the 60s, and then they switched over to ranunculus after that. Ranunculus are actually a member of the buttercup family. So if you've seen buttercups, that'll help you know what a ranunculus is. Headed out to see the blooms in the flower fields. There's John, filming me, filming him. You can take a tractor ride here. Maybe we'll do that later. Here's the poinsettia greenhouse. Antique tractors here. As we make our way out, these fields aren't quite in bloom yet, but as we work our way down the path here, you will see that the fields further out are completely in bloom. acres as far as the eye can see. And I'm short, so the eye can't see too far. But it really is 50 acres of beautiful flowers. It's like a true rainbow of fruit flavors. So just beyond the flower fields in Carlsbad is the Pacific Ocean. So as you're standing up here looking at all the wonderful colors and the rainbow, you can look out onto the ocean as well. So it really is an idyllic spot to come spend the day, walk through the fields, take in the beauty, enjoy the ocean breeze, and learn more about the ranunculus.
It's pretty cool. I'm glad we came here.
So am I. I've lived in Southern California for 18 years and I have never made it to the flower fields, so 2021 is my year. Woo-hoo!
One of those things that you live next to and you never do, and people that visit from Australia do it, you know, but you're like a few miles away and it's like, you just kind of take it for granted, but no longer taken for granted.
Check. Done. Apparently there's a little overlook from the neighborhood next to the flower fields where you can just come out and basically get this view. I'm feeling like maybe I didn't need to buy the ticket, but that's okay. It was worth it.
Is this a shortcut?
I think it's a drainage ditch.
Oh, well, let's not go that way.
We'll stick to the path.
I think I see a coyote. So we were just talking about how we're going to be in San Francisco next month. If you guys have any tips or tricks or places we just must go, hit us up in the comments and we'll check them out.
Or visit us at Wandrd Wisely. Here we are at the Sweet Pea Maze. And for those of you who don't know, my son's nickname is Sweet Pea. So I'm excited to be headed into the maze. Let's...
Fun fact before we go in, over 2,000 people get lost in this maze yearly and are never heard from again.
You're going to definitely want to fact check him on that one. All right, we're in the maze. Right or left?
Right.
We're making good progress so far. Oh, now we have some decisions to make. We can go straight. We can go left.
Your choice. I chose last time.
Choose wisely. We're gonna go straight. All right, so we just exited the maze through the entrance. Not sure how we made it back that way, but we're free. So here's a fun fact. Sweet peas are native to Sicily and southern Italy, and it's a climbing annual with richly colored flowers that has a fragrance of honey and orange blossom. You'd think I would have known more about sweet peas since it is my son's nickname, but now we all know. This is John.
That's Jody.
And we're just wrapping up our day here at the flower fields in Carlsbad.
It was a lot of fun. Walking around looking at all the flowers and going through the maze that we almost didn't get out of.
It was a little on the edge for a moment. We thought we might have to stay here forever.
It was a little shady. I might have needed something to drink there.
So now we're gonna head out, go get some lunch, enjoy the rest of this really beautiful day here in Carlsbad. Until next time.
Wander wisely.